how to pair your backsplash with your kitchen cabinets. When it comes to your backsplash, it's a really exciting step, bringing the kitchen remodel together. It's a beautiful statement piece. There's so many different options to go about it, which makes it really fun. And here is a great example of using the countertop as the backsplash and as it kind of carries through. As you can see, this has a nice veining to it to give it a little moodiness, but it's not too much. Of course, in our showroom, we like to give a lot of different examples of things, but we see white kitchen cabinets with a beautiful white subtle backsplash or some moody veining to it to give it a little pop, but you can go with something really simplistic too in that way. There's the marble backsplash options, but then you have the practical like tile options too, whether you want the classic subway tiles. There's so many beautiful textured tiles out there. You can go with a little bit of color and pattern or keep it really clean, simple. It's again one of those really fun pieces and parts of this process that you just have so many great options, and we're here to collaborate to make sure it is your style, but something that is timeless and that perfect piece to kind of bring the kitchen together. When it comes to a backsplash, we'll think of all the things like the maintenance of it. We want it to last long, quality products, but something that makes you really happy in the end.